Hey, Teto in the house. You know what I'm saying? Freestyling about olives. Yeah. Cause I love olives. I love olives. Yeah. Yeah. Olives in my mouth. I don't eat olives for the clout.
Nah.
Yeah. You eat olives cause they're cool.
Swag.
I eat olives cause they make me drool. Cause they're
Yum.
so yummy.
Yeah.
In my tummy. Bitch, you are so basic.
That's fact.
You're like my mom. She has good buns.
Yeast.
Like bread buns. She puts them in my lunch. Then when I get to school, I munch on my bread buns. So my mom packed for me. You know what I'm saying? I got the olives. She puts them in my bread buns. Got the olives in my bread buns. Yeah,
Bitch.
they're so yummy when I put them in my digestive system. I
Yeah.
wrote a song about olives, now you better listen.
Pow.
I feel like Jimothy with the chords. Call me musical cause I got chords, bitch. Chords on my pants. There are ants in your pants.
Shit.
I do a little dance.
Swag.
Call me Jimothy cause I'm with that dance.
Facts.
I got the moves like Jagger.
Yeah.
Yeah. You better watch out cause I got a dagger.
Oh.
Yeah,
damn.
yeah. And I'm not afraid to use it. But I won't abuse it cause I'm a gentleman.
Facts.
And I don't eat spam, bitch.
No.
That shit's unhealthy. You gotta stay healthy if you wanna make money.
Cash.
Stay healthy with a healthy diet, or you'll be fat like a pirate.
Fluffy.
Fat like a pirate? Yeah.
Red
Be
beer.
fat like a pirate.
Black
Sailing
beer.
on the sea, just eating grapes,
Bitch.
and unhealthy things like grapes. But back to the main subject of this song. Olives. I love eating olives.
Yee.
I love eating olives. When they're in my tummy, it feels really yummy.
Yeah.
Olives in my
Hey.
neck,
Hey.
olives in my
Hey.
eyes,
Hey.
olives on my ears.
Hey.
Eat chips
Hey.
and chives. Olives with chives.
Bro.
I eat an olive dish. It has olives and chives. And I can drive your mom.
Yeah.
I drove your mom and your
Bitch.
auntie. They rode me like a road microphone. You know what I'm saying? I love olives in my mouth. Olives in my mouth. I don't eat them for the clout. I eat them
Olives.
because they make me drool.
Olives.
Because they're cool.
Olives.
But you eat them because they're cool. Yeah.
Olives.
I lie in my pool, eat olives. Put them in my system.
Olives.
And then I have sex with your sister.
Olives.
Olive freestyle.
Olives.
This whole thing is a freestyle. And I
Olives.
don't mean swimming in the ISC.
Olives.
If you ever hate to get away from me, bitch.
Olives.
Bitch. I
Oh,
even eat
damn.
olives when I swim. You eat olives from a motherfucking tin, bitch. Teto out.